Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Hey everyone, first of all, heartiest greetings and welcome you all to my channel. My name is Sakshi Shreya and this is my YouTube channel where I will share my flair of art with you all.
Hello and welcome you all to my today's Let's Talk About the Poet session. And our today's guest is Rabindranath Tagore. So let's get started. Rabindranath Tagore was a Bengali poet, short story writer, song composer, playwright, and an essayist. He was a Bengali polymath who reshaped Bengali literature and music as well as Indian art with contextual modernism. He was also a novelist, dramatist, painter, philosopher, social reformer, educationalist, linguist, and a grammarian. He was born on 7th May 1861 in Kolkata, a Bengali Brahmin from Calcutta with ancestral roots in Burdwan district and Jessore at the age of 8. At the age of 16, he released his first substantial poems under the pseudonym Bhanu Sima, Sun Lion, which were seized upon by literary authorities. By 1877, he graduated to his first short stories and dramas published under his real name. As a humanist, universalist, internationalist, and an ardent anti-nationalist, he denounced the British Raj and advocated independence. He founded Visva Bharati University and advanced a vast canon that comprised of paintings, sketches, songs, and doodles. His compositions were chosen by two nations as national anthems, India's Jana Gana Mana and Bangladesh's Amar Shonar Bangla. The Sri Lankan national anthem was inspired by his work between 1878 and 1932. He set foot in more than 30 countries on 5 continents. In 1912, he took a sheaf of his translated works to England, where they gained attention from missionary and Gandhi's Prateek. He opposed imperialism and supported Indian nationalists. In the last decade of his life, as he became conscious of his approaching death, he turned to radical experimentation in poetic techniques and to purely humanistic concepts dealing with the problems of life and death. He also won the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1913 for his popular composition Gitanjali. Writing style. He had a distinctive style of writing in prose style. His style went against the societal norms of traditional Bengali culture. What we can learn from him. First, steer away from corruption. According to Tagore, as human beings, we all are bound to have imperfections and are vulnerable to varying degrees of temptation and corruption. But one must pray wholeheartedly to get rid of it within our heart. Second, service to others. We all have our own private lives, but we should always remember that our lives are intertwined with those of others, and hence it's important to help each other. Third, treat well. Show everyone respect regardless of who they are. Treat others as you would like to be treated. Fourth, stop living in a bubble. We should realize that there are bigger problems that are more important than our own daily activities. Hence, we should develop a good clarity. Quotes. First, love does not claim possession but gives freedom. Second, facts are many but the truth is one. Third, a mind all logic is like a knife all blade. It makes the hand bleed that uses it. That's all for today. Thank you. And do not forget to drop your questions for the imaginary interview session.